Mark, this story is very much about price and performance. The new QTE range from Mazak. Tell us about these models.
Well, it's exactly that, price and performance. So we've got an exceptional build quality, high specification for the customers, but an extremely attractive low price that I'm sure our customers are going to be interested in.
Now the range starts with what some people might not know Mazak for, just a straight 2-axis turning centre, is that correct?
Yeah, we start with a 2-axis turning centre, 300 bed length on a 6-inch chuck. And then you can go up to an 8-inch and a 10-inch up to 1 metre.
And we have here the largest machine in the range, which is the QTE 300. And this can go up to an 80mm bar capacity.
That's right, this is, as you say, this is a 300, so it has a 10-inch chuck, 80mm bar capacity. This is on a 500 bed length, but the versions with the tailstock can go up to 1 metre in length.
One of the things Mazak always say, and you say yourself, Mark, is Mazak is different. So I want to find out on this range what is different and what it gives to the customer. Let's start with how you've built them, how they're constructed.
Yes, this machine is a fully cast product, but it includes a number of high-end features. So for example, let's start with the spindle, which is critical for a lathe. This is a fully built-in spindle, so that in itself brings a number of advantages. It's high-speed operation, it's reliable, there's less vibration than compared to a belt drive, and the accuracy and the roundness coming off that it gives exceptional quality.
Okay, so it might sound obvious, but what does that mean for an end user compared to maybe a belt-driven machine? What can they expect on a finished component?
Well, they can get better surface quality, better roundness, but not only at low speed, but also at high speed. So it's the ability to produce components fast, at high speed, within the accuracy that they require.
And is this throughout the range, even on the 2-axis models, even on the smaller machines, all the same spindle?
Yes, exactly that. Our 2-axis range, right through to the full MSY range, they're all on integral spindle motors.
What about your tailstock if you don't opt for a sub-spindle, which I know we have here? There's something different with that too as well, isn't there?
Well, again, that's another high-end feature on really a very good, well-priced machine. So we include a full NC tailstock, and that has a number of advantages really. You're able to program it into different positions, but you're able to program the pressure settings. So for the operator, this is really set and forget. Every time he calls that program up, he doesn't need to go through a data sheet and adjust the hydraulic settings. It's automatically done for the program, so it saves time. It also means that they get reliable quality components first off.
Because that's quite an arduous task, to have to do that on every different part. That I would find that as a real disadvantage in a machining process. It's time consuming, and like you say, it needs an operator.
It's true, and this is really where Mazak are very good, understanding the needs of our customer and the requirements. Many of our customers now are making more components in smaller quantities. And so what's critical for them, what's really crucial, is to reduce their setup time. And these features where the customer can set the machine and get into production to make the part faster are crucial for their profitability. So that exists with the NC tailstock. So we're able to set it and program it, and they can walk away and then it's done, even when they call it program up next time. But also in the CNC control as well.
We'll come on to that. Before we do, the turret here, you've got a servo, is it a servo turret on this machine? Quick indexing, no lift?
Yeah, this is a 12 position turret. You can have 24 positions. It's a servo driven mechanism with a non-lift operation, so it's extremely fast and reliable in terms of indexing processing to reduce cycle time.
So the in-cut time will be far greater with your product than maybe some others?
Yes, exactly that. It's crucial not only that we're able to set the machine up faster, but once you get into the cycle, the machine produces the part in the quickest time possible.
Now, if 12 stations wasn't enough, can you have double point indexing?
Yes, you can have 24 positions on this machine.
Okay, that's a real advantage too if you really do need to do more operations on a component. Mark, let's talk about the SMOOTHEZ, or Easy as you class it here, because this is a touchscreen modern control, isn't it?
That's right. This is a brand new development. This is a smooth, easy control, and it's really targeted at easy operation, easy setting, and easy machining. One of the outstanding features of this, it's a 15-inch touchscreen with an intuitive menu system that allows you to program very fast. And really where we see this is when a customer picks up a workpiece, they need to get that into cut as quickly as possible. So the features are designed on this machine to be extremely interactive, make it very easy to program and very easy to set up. And this is where really SMOOTHEZ delivers and gives our machine an advantage.
Even at such a great price point, you're able to offer such sophisticated technology on the control.
Yes, that's right. But that comes about from a number of years of experience. We're celebrating 40 years of MAZATROL this year. And it's our ability to not only manufacture the machine, but to manufacture the control. So our control is designed to harmonise perfectly with the machine and take advantage of all the features. So those features such as programming and setup are done perfectly through the harmonisation of the control and the machine.
What about the green credentials of these machines, Mark? It's a really hot topic at the moment. Can you monitor that on these machines?
Yes, we can set up remotely. We can set up an energy dashboard. We can see the power consumption. What we can also see is the CO2 output. So customers really can talk to their customers about how they're saving CO2, their carbon footprint when they talk to their own customers.
It's going to be a massive thing going forward. So it's great that it's implemented on this range of machines. The MSY, plenty of options here then. Mill drill, Y-axis, sub-spindle, or as we said earlier, a tailstock. There's so much choice. There's a machine to fit all, isn't there?
Well, that's right. What we know is from our customers, especially those working in subcontract, they get many different types of component. They get many different types of material. And so what we have here is a machine that's very quick. It's powerful with 18.5 kilowatts as power on the main spindle. It's got a high capacity in the tool magazine in the turret. Also, it's 4,500 with the mill driven spindle. But customers are producing very complex workpieces now, and they can do it in one operation with the QTE range.
You have plenty of other turning centres in the range. Is this going to take business away from them, or is it a standalone product? Will it just add more customers to Mazak's database?
I think this is going to increase our customer base. One, the specification and the price point makes it very attractive to a number of customers that perhaps thought in the past that Mazak were a little bit more expensive than where they wanted to position themselves. So this is a great price machine for the market. But then there are other products such as the quick turn range have that extra performance for customers that are cutting perhaps components with more exotic materials and requiring even more degree of options.
So where does the price start, Mark?
We see we have two machines here. We have the 300 MSY and we also have the 200 2-axis. So incredibly, you'll be able to purchase the 2-axis machine for under 70,000.